Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Node.js and the Firebase CLI, then sign in with Firebase login so your credentials are ready. Once done, open your project folder that contains the build output, dist or build, and a package, JSON script to produce it. Make sure to run Firebase in it, select hosting, choose or create the Firebase project, and set the public directory to your build folder so deployment maps correctly. You now prepare the build and adjust configuration for reliable hosting. Run npm run build or yarn build to produce the static assets. This ensures the files you deploy match production. Next, edit Firebase. JSON to add rewrite rules for single-page apps, a proper 404, and any caching headers. This controls how files are served and cached. Once configured, test locally using Firebase Serve or Firebase emulators. Start so you can verify routing and headers before pushing live. You finish by deploying and confirming everything works in production. Run Firebase deploy only hosting and watch for success messages and the listed hosting URL. Once deployed, open the live site and verify functionality, clearing browser cache to avoid stale assets. If something breaks, check the browser console and network tab for missing assets or 404, then inspect Firebase. JSON rewrites and your build output to confirm files exist. Finally, rebuild and redeploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.